guys? Good morning. It is 10 o'clock in the morning, 10:20 in the morning. So sun is coming out. It's quite bright. Oh my god. So today I'm working on a C43 AMG. Yep. So for this car, what I'm going to be doing is I am going to be doing a full maintenance, decontamination, and finishing it off with a layer of wax. So my client did mention to me there were some damages on the paint and he wanted me to look at it. So let me show you the damages. Right out of the bat you can see this 3 spots of scratch, I believe, some kind of scuff. There's some rain stains on the paint. Some light watermark issues, more watermark issues, and right here, not sure if you can see it or not, there are some deeper scratches here. So my client wanted me to take a look at it. Right on the back you can see actually heavier watermark stains. So yeah, as you can see, it's not really in a bad shape, the car. Requires just a little bit more attention on the decontamination part, and then we'll be done. So let me start off with a cleaning, then watermark removal, then I'll attempt to polish out the scratches and see whether it works. So stay tuned, guys. So I'm done with the C43 AMG. Clean the wheels, the calipers, wax the paint, and decontaminate everything. So this is how the car looks like right now. Pretty shiny, right? Pretty glossy. Check out the bonnet. Extremely glossy, guys. So I'm gonna pack up right now, wait for the owner to come and collect the car, and then I'll have lunch, and then I have another 1 PM appointment on the Mazda CX3. So stay tuned, guys, and I hope you enjoy the simpler version of the detailing videos, because I have quite a lot of backdated ones that I haven't edited yet. So I think by the time you see this video, or all the other videos will be out. So stay tuned, guys. Sup, guys? So I'm at my second client's home. I've been working on the CX3 for quite a while because I didn't film because earlier there was some work being done at his house. So I've completed the wash, so check it out. I'm currently working on the front wheels, then I'll be working on the back wheels. So since I didn't film in the earlier portion, so I'm just going to finish everything and I'll show you guys the finishing. So guys, I've done washing the car and decontaminating the car. So before I dry off the car, I would like to show you guys how does 6 months old of coating after the maintenance look like. So check this out. Check out the crazy water beading. This is purely a naked surface, so it's just the coating itself reacting to the water. There is no wax or anything on the surface now because I stripped everything already. So this is how it looks like at the 6-month-old marker on the coating. Pretty impressive, right? Let's check out the sides. similar effect. You can see, right guys? It's that addictive feeling of the hydrophobic effect. Yep. So guys, I'm just gonna dry off the car, apply a generous layer of wax, then we'll be done for the car. So stay tuned guys. So I've completed the car, finished the waxing, finished the decontamination, and this is how the car looks like right now. Check out the shine guys, check out the shine. Pretty damn impressive, right guys? Yep, so I'm done with the car. So I guess today's vlog will be a little bit simpler than usual because I really don't have enough time for today, and I'm supposed to rest for today because on Monday I got a big restoration job coming up. So I'm just gonna end the vlog here. So like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys soon.